One is something called DALI. DALI is actually part of ChatGPT only. That is for designing pictures. But I have another one called Playground AI. PLA. You can see here Playground AI. I will share this this one address here. You can see. I will just copy and share it in the chat box. You can make a copy of that. And here in this, what is happening is you can give here some command. You wanted a picture, okay? Uh, just close this. You wanted a picture of an old man wearing a turban and having a huge mustache. Okay, then he's also having thick beard. Hmm. Okay, let us try to let us ask it to generate this picture. So you can see that I have given some idea about what I want. Within no time, you can see here what it has given me. An old man, okay, wearing a turban and having a huge mustache that is also there, and also having a thick beard. What else? Everything is there, no? You can just download this picture. Okay, what you can do is again, I will ask one more thing. Can you or expand this prompt, or I can go for another one. I will say, oh yeah, I will just close this 1 second. I have not used it much. Okay, you can ask it to create more variations of this. For example, here you can again. So I asked it to change a little bit. Okay, by clicking over there, asked it to change a little bit. Sometimes it make a nice change to that whatever I have given. So now it is having little more light, and also it is looking good. It is not actually a photograph. It is not, remember, it is not at all a photograph. It is a compilation of things. If I ask that turban you change and put a hat over there, surely it will do that. Okay. I will say change the turban and put a hat. No, it didn't do that. Oh, yeah. No, it has not come up. Maybe because still it is there. Okay, wearing a hat, I will say, and then generate. So this is a playground AI, which is very useful for generating such pictures. Yeah, you can see almost the same person only. This time with a different that hat, the carbon. That's why I told it's not a picture at all. It's not a photograph at all. It is generating it. Okay, that is playground AI. Then there is something called the Gamma app. GAMMA dot app. Okay, that's it. And actually, this is for, I will share this web address also with you. Please copy it if you can. Okay, yeah, it has come up. Create a new, here I will say presentation, and then I will say information literacy and the role of librarians. Okay, generate outline. Sometimes there will see it has changed a little bit. It has changed, and then it says that I have some credits. Let me see. അഷ്കറെ ഞാൻ അതിലൊന്ന് ലോഗിൻ ചെയ്യട്ടെ. എൻ്റെ തീർന്നു പോയി. ആണോ? ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ നോക്കട്ടെ. ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ ഓക്കെ. Yeah, I think I have joined, so I can Yeah, I can work on this. So you can see here the item is there, and now I can click on this generate button. It will generate all those things. And by the way, you can select themes also. I was happy with the current theme. Everything is ready and it is preparing. Takes time. Yeah, you can see the first card is, and here it is called as cards, cards, cards. Okay, so this is the, here there's a picture, it's coming up. Yeah, you can see here. This is the first card, second card, third card, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. See, all are there. And if you want to present it, click here. It is ready for presentation. And then use your arrow keys to go further ahead or go back like this. This way, you can see how nicely within no time I could make a presentation on something. That's it. That simple it is. Okay, follow the. But here also I told you if only 40 credits was there for me. I could do only this much. Okay. Now we will go back to ChatGPT. What we were doing, I got the connection with somebody's account, and then we will proceed with that. Okay. So I will go to ChatGPT 4. I will upload. I told you about that data. Okay. I'm just going to desktop ChatGPT, and then I will say the what was the data? Actually, it was the data of registered participants open. So it is uploaded. Read this data and let me know when you are ready. So it is analyzing. It takes a little bit of time. I wanted to remove the blanks, the dates, all those things. Okay. Yeah, it says there are timestamps, single letters, all these things are there. It says, okay, remove all blanks, comma, single letters. Okay. Just to say yes. I will say, I just told it to remove the blanks and single letters. Okay. If we look at the data, let us see the data. So here there is single letters and blanks. It will remove. Okay. Now I have removed all the blanks rows with the single letters and the data also. Okay. The cleaned data now includes timestamps, names, email addresses, user status, and all. So I will ask remove all dates, comma, time, day, comma, and what else? The words new user and existing user. Okay, I'm asking you to remove that. So it also cleaned that. Okay, now what I need is, now what will be there in this case in this table? If we look, date removed, time removed, single letters removed, and blanks also removed. Okay, from that. So now we will have the name as well as the email ID. Okay. Even new user, existing user, everything it removed. Okay. Now I can ask it now, comma, you should arrange all email IDs, emails against the names on its top. Just names. Okay. In column B. Okay. Let us see. So it initially it encountered an error. Now it says there are 136 names and only 100 emails. I don't know how it is. Okay. Anyway, please proceed. I will say there is some error in that. Please proceed, I will say. Maybe I might have made a mistake or something like that. Okay. So it says you can see name, then email, like that is coming. But it will stop by 5 or 6. Yeah, it is like this. It is given. I need it in an Excel sheet. Okay, with the names in column A and email in column B. Now it is ready with the data. You can see here. I will just click it. You can see it has come up here. I will just open it. Now that you can see here, it has come out with all the data. You can see here the names are there and it's against it. The concerned email IDs are there. Somewhere it says that there was a mistake. Yeah, these existing users and all still it remained. I don't know why. Some it still remained. Anyway, for 100 people, it has given the answer correctly. Okay, so I might have made a mistake or something. Okay, that's it. It's my mistake, not the system's mistake. Okay, so this is how you can make use of it. Okay, now earlier I have shown you how you can upload the PDF file and ask questions. Now, out of this explore chat GPTs, there are several things. Okay, out of that, there is, I already asked you, told that we can use this for map GPT. So I'm going to start a chat with that. I will ask, where is Kathmandu? So it is asking me to go to talk to the other one. So can I use that map GPT? Oh, that means I will have to go to that other location. Anyway, I don't want to go there. If you click here, it will take us to another location and pan to that location, and then there it will be. So anyway, we don't want to waste that time. Again, I will go back. There is DALI here. DALI. Okay. So DALI, we need not actually log into that. Okay. We can directly work over here. In ChatGPT 4 itself, you can ask it to generate a picture of an old man walking through a thick forest with a stick in his hand. His hairs, H-I-A-R, are spread. There is a dog walking with him. You can see the setting sun among the greenery. Okay, so I told this much. I'm asking it to generate. I'm asking to ChatGPT only, but what it will do is it will hand over the work to DALI. So after that, it is giving some idea which one do you like to have. So here it is creating an image. See, you can see an old man. I will open it up. So this is it. An old man walking with a stick. His hairs are spread. There is a dog behind him. And from the greenery, you can see the pictures are coming. So that simple it is. This is done in ChatGPT only because there is DALI over there. Okay. So that is it. And it can also go to the web and find out information. Still, I will make you introduce you other. So there are several. You can make use of it, and this is again another image generator. But I'm more going for this consensus. This is little bit closely related or useful for chat our PhD. So here you can see your AI research assistant search 200 million academic papers from consensus, get science-based answers. Okay, that's it. So here you can ask scientific questions and ask it to elaborate. So I'm just going by something like I don't know much of science, so I will go to my topics only. I will again put it as information literacy only. Literacy among the information literacy standards. I will just ask something like this. A keyword I have given. So it is giving a lot of ideas. And also what it will do is it will provide me the concerned literature. You can see here. Nicely, it will give me the link to that particular. It's giving some ideas about the standards, and then you can further talk to it, clear your no this I wanted to have a more idea on this, provide me something more like that. But the problem is the literature that you have access is not actually from the most of the proprietary material. Okay, most of them are open access material, but this is very useful to conduct your literature. You can even upload articles and then ask the consensus to go ahead with analyzing it and give you ideas on the date. So actually, you are talking to this PDF and then you're coming out with answers. Anyway, uh, what else is there? Whatever I have seen, I will just show you. There are many like this. Okay, write for me, and then there is something called a book creator, and this is data analyst. Again, it will do the data analysis work, creative writing coach. If you want to write a book and all, no, you can, or a novel, you can just suggest these are my characters and why don't you. Again, another image generator is there, logo generator is there. Okay, and this is another multiverse, photo multiverse. So many things are there. Okay, but I clearly wanted to take you to a PowerPoint presentation maker over here. There is something called Professional Academic Assistant Pro. Let us see what it is. So I will say I wanted to write a paper on, I will say, the mycological. Mycology means what? Mycological means fungus disease. Mycological, I shall see mycological uh, uh, attacks on the Cocos nucifera. Simply, I'm giving some scientific name, nucifera. That is coconut only. Okay. Mycological attacks on Cocos nucifera. Can you help me? Here it is the outlook is little different from the chat GPT because it is an academic assistant professional. Mycology and its impact on Cocos nucifera. So it says coconut palm. So introduction, brief introduction of Cocos nucifera and its global significance, background, major fungal pathogens. Oh, actually, I wanted to use the word pathogens only, but I changed it as attacks. You can see here nicely it is listing out the areas. Now you can expand it. Okay, slowly you can expand it. No, it is actually giving you the expansion also. Nicely it will give you but the problem is it is giving you ideas. You cannot depend on this alone. It will not help you. But this is actually giving you some ideas so that you can go ahead with a plan. Okay, so that's it. Also, if you are seeking further academic assistance, including PDF translation, data analysis, literature review, paper interpretation, and more, feel free to explore additional academic GPTs for support. So if you click here, more additional support will be there. Anyway, we got some introduction. One by one, you can ask, can you help me in this particular overview of mycological attacks and their impact? So like this, you can develop and make a Pakka write up on this particular aspect. Anyway, it gives you a clear idea about what exactly it is. Okay. Now I will go for making a book. I wanted to have yesterday. I think I have shown you how to make a book. Okay. Anyway, still anything else is there. So you can see here writing, productivity, research and analysis, programming. So programming yesterday I have shown you. In this writing is there that book yeah, book creator guide. That's it. Book creator guide. So here you can say I would like to author a book on I will say information literacy. That is the most easy thing for me, information literacy and the role of librarians. Can you help me with an outline? This is the difficult task to make an outline. Okay, for that you will think about so much of things, but here it is giving you a clear idea. So each chapter, the title of the book is Navigating the Information Maze. Maze means network. Librarians are the at the forefront of literacy. So it is giving chapter one, understanding. Chapter two. Then there are only three subheadings. You can ask for more. Okay. Once you are happy with it, it even gives a conclusion, everything. Okay. That's it. Now, this is the most difficult thing in making a book. Once you got a structure, no, nicely it can go ahead. We can go ahead. Okay. Now, even I told you about there is something there over see lifestyle also. There you can say well, there are many. I will show you travel guide. I wanted to go for a trip to somewhere. I'm not even saying where it is, somewhere during the summer holidays. Uh, I would like to visit places in India. My budget is 2 lakh rupees. Okay. Can you I belong to Kerala. Can you give me a clear idea to plan my trip northward to the Himalayas? You can go to Ladakh. You start with the Ladakh, east to land of dawn, northeast India. Nice, no? West to desert in beyond. So it's suggesting many things. I don't know whether within this 2 lakh rupees it is possible. Accommodation opted for heritage stays or boutique hotels. Budget around 3 to 30 to 50 percentage of your budget here. Travel is around 25 to 35, 30 per food and all. Trip planning, duration, local exploration. We can now go ahead with each and every piece. So you said about this north, this Ladakh. How should I go there? What sort of travel plan I have to have? So like this, you can ask one and the other aspect out of this. So anyway, that's it. So here I stopped with the ChatGPT and I have already shown you the Playground AI and the Gamma app. Okay. There is something called a question maker is there. Let me see whether it is there in this question maker. Yesterday, but I have shown you question maker. Yes, it is here. So what you can do is you can upload a PDF file and then ask it to make questions out of that. How nice it is. So I will just upload a file, read this article and make five descriptive answer questions. So it is giving the question for each aspect. These are the questions that you can ask. This is very useful for teachers. Okay, they need to upload the content and then ask for making questions. Otherwise, no, we will scratch our head for making such questions for quite long. It will take a lot of time. Okay, but see that the correctness you have to ensure. Okay, that's it. And there is something called semantic scholar. So I'm coming out of this, and here I will ask for semantic scholar. This is another very useful AI powered research tool. Very, very good it is. I will just log in with my account. Okay, here you can ask a question uh, role of librarians in imparting information literacy. Uh, so it is just now it is providing a lot of free services, Semantic Scholar. So I gave a topic and it is searching and coming out with the literature. And mostly it will be freely available on the internet. It will come out with that. Strategies for effective implementation of information literacy instruction in medical libraries in Pakistan. That is it. Okay. Now you can see it has come out this with this. Then it says there are three citations and then articles related to that also will come up. And then there are view all papers from this particular venue. There are options available to show you the various literature available there. And then you can add this to the library. Create cite means it will actually come out with the citation options. Okay, there are many. For example, if you click on APA, this you can directly copy it or you can share it with the bib note for the end note or the LaTeX. Okay, so all these things are possible. This is a wonderful area, wonderful topic. Sorry, the item. You can use it a lot. Okay, and but this has actually got lot of options. I have not used it much. Okay, but you can make use of it. This is called a semantic scholar. This is a very good one. And there is another one called size space. Size space. Okay, dot AI. This is also I have found that it is a very good one. SciSpace actually earlier there was a software called typeset.io. We were subscribing in our university, typeset.io. It was actually helping people to format their papers according to the styles of various journals. But this now is helping a lot. Let us go ahead. So it is this 2 hours of worth reading in minutes. So here I am asking for some particular topic. I will just go for a PDF file. I will just again role of librarians in imparting information literacy. It will come out with a lot of literature. Sorry, spelling error was there, but it will ignore it. Usually it ignores. And you can see here a lot of things are brought up. And then you can ask, I need only show papers with the PDF only. Okay, so this is the first right, the first from the important paper it has brought in. And then there is something called the other things are over there. And here there is an option called Ask to Copilot. Copilot is again a tool just like the ChatGPT. You can click over there on the right hand side. It is providing you certain options. Like based on this, you can ask questions to that. Okay. I will just ask a question over here. What are the major findings of the study? But you have to learn it. There is no other way. You have to learn how to use it. I can just introduce only. I have not yet tried all these things, so you can see I ask the question. It is going to answer me based on that. Okay, you can major findings of the study on UFS. Okay, literacy at the US faculty, it is finding out. And then you can say it, you can save it to notebook. All those things options are available. Then below that, you can see 10 purpose which are closely related to that. So actually, these are also have, you can click the next one, and based on then it will have here it is there, and here you can ask the co-pilot based on this. Okay, so it will actually be bringing up a network of articles based on this particular software, and it is called a size. I'll just give that address. I'll just copy and give you in your chat box. Yeah, I know you have questions, but I will wait for just one or two more things I will say, and then I will come out. 9:45, I will stop. Then, okay. Now, there are two important things which I wanted to tell you. One is called what is that? Here it is there. That is called a Go Full Page. Okay, wonderful tool. Go Full Page. That's it. It is a Chrome extension actually. You can see here. Okay, I'll just copy the link address and share with you. Go Full Page. It is a wonderful software. What exactly it is doing is, suppose your website is there. I'm just opening my website. And then I wanted to make the pictures of the entire only. You see, we know that we can make the copy of this only by screencasting. Okay, but if I want the entire thing in a PDF file, well, how will you do that? I already installed it, and you can see here there is a camera button, and it indicates that it is Go Full Page. I'm just clicking on it. You can see that it captures piece by piece and made a PDF file, and it is this. Okay, when you click here, you are getting it. You can download it as a PDF file. Okay, that's it. So any page for that matter, you can convert to a PDF file very easily. Okay, that is one thing. Next thing is I will go to YouTube. I will say Excel functions. I wanted to know about this particular video I wanted.
And I
Okay.
want to calculate how much revenue.
So I wanted to take out what all he says. Okay, it is difficult for us. But here there you can see here transcript and summary. Okay, transcript and summary. Okay, so actually it is the AI with another software called Cloud, CLAUDE, Cloud with AI, with Chat GPT. You can just check it in Google, Chat GPT with the Cloud, or Cloud with Chat GPT, or you can say YouTube video transcript and summary. Okay, then you will get this, and I am just clicking on it. See what is happening. Whatever that fellow says, no, yeah, all the data is available here. And now you can do one more thing. You can actually ask for the points in this particular video. You just need to click here. The summary, it will you will be taken to your account. No, but it is now it is not attached to my account. That is why it is not showing here. It will come up and then show you the points only, tabulated points you will see. Okay, and that is called transcript and summary using what? ChatGPT and Cloud, Claude. You can identify it. Okay, here there is another one. YouTube summary. It's called a YouTube summary with ChatGPT and Cloud. Okay, YouTube summary with ChatGPT and cloud. So it's setting it. YouTube summary with the ChatGPT and cloud. Okay, and there are many other things like another one is MyBib. MyBib. With that, I will stop because I need to answer your questions. That is MyBib. It is again an online. What is that? Um, I should say that it helps us to create or make citations and references. Okay, just like the EndNote or EndNote or Mendeley, Jotiro, like this. Okay, but here there are certain things. For example, you can click on the add citation and then ask for a journal article on the topic. You can give a title. Okay, I will just say go to scholar.google.com and where I will ask for software information literacy and role of librarians. Okay, I'm just searching for it. I got it. Oh, anyway, I will just go by this. And what I need is I will just copy this much of thing, Control C, and come back to my this one. And here it is. You have to select a journal, paste it, and search for it. You won't believe it will bring the original one. It is here and it says credible. Why it is said credible? Because the data has been taken from the publisher's website. Okay, so that it is credible. And along with that, it also brings up a lot of similar literature. Okay. Now you want only the first one. Click on that, and then it is bringing out all the details. And if you feel that everything is okay, you can just click on the save button. That's it. Now you can go for the next one. Add citation and then click here. Again, you can give a DOI or the title of the article. This time I will go for rethinking literacy. I will just copy this, Control C. I will paste it over here. I don't know whether it is a journal article, but still I am trying. Yeah, rethink the concept. It's not that same one. Here it is. Okay, it's a book review on that. If you feel that this is okay, you can just click on the save button. Like this, you can compile a reading list for a user coming to the library. Or if you are a researcher yourself, you can make a reading list by using this particular option. And later on, you can even click here and then there is an option copy bibliographic entry, copy the in-text citation. So copy this and paste it in the write-up. Copy bibliographic entry and download it. Sorry, paste it there. Or if you want, you can download it as work cited, and when you click it you will get an option here to download it as a word file. So you got the word file, you can see, open it and see those two items are listed over here. You will get a reading list. Wonderful, no? So that is called what, the my bib option. Okay, so there are several things, and two more things are there which is almost equivalent to chat gpt. They are, one is copilot. Okay, copilot.microsoft.com, pilot.microsoft.com. This is almost equivalent to ChatGPT 4. Okay, ChatGPT. Here you can see you can add a file and then ask questions based on that. Okay, it has got eyes, and also it has, there's an option to upload an image. So it has Copilot, and then designer is there, vacation planner, cooking assistant, fitness trainer. All these things are there, and these are some of the pictures it has created. So I can ask it to design a picture of an old man wearing a turban and having huge mustache. Okay, that's it. Let me ask it. Uh, To an extent, this is free in a way, and if you wanted to go for the higher thing, no, it will give it will take money. Okay, so it is trying to make it. You can see it is giving me four options, four pictures. It will give. You can select one. And this comes as part of being browser also, Bing browser of my, see, it is there. Almost similar to the picture that little, this looks very odd. Okay. See, nicely these pictures have come. That's it. See, this is the picture. Okay. Nice, no? You can just make it full screen and download it. That also is possible.